Hello everyone, we are standing at the lobby of Millennium Biltmore Hotel located in California, Los Angeles. Biltmore is going through quite a renovation this year, and we happen to be one of the designers that are contributing to that. We are planning of doing the 10th and the 11th floor and bring it back to its original look.
Yes, absolutely. And I think Steve had mentioned we were the chosen design firm to help them with their renovation. It's an amazing, beautiful place. We've gotten started. It's going to be a project that it's going to continue through next year. And so it's amazing.
The furniture were delivered, the bed are delivered. Our goal is to go ahead and put up the drape, get rid of the glare of the light that's coming in, and bring it back to its original condition in 1923, the glamorous look that this hotel had. I think it's going to turn out exactly like it used to be. We're restored everything back to original. So looking forward to seeing how it's all going to turn out.
So we are all really excited to actually be here and being with them, and we're honored. So we're very, very honored to actually work on this. And I shared a little bit earlier that this is a building that my parents, and I think mainly Steve, has admired for a long time. We've been in downtown for 20 plus years, and so it's really a project that we were truly excited to take on, and not something ordinary for us.
Contacted the original designer, and all the material is obsolete.
Ooh.
So Hendricks and he met Steve, and Steve came in and we interviewed about 4 designers.
Wow.
And I must say I was very impressed when actually Steve came in, presented his material and what he'd do.
Yeah.
We knew we were on the right track.
As you can tell, we're done. It's beautiful. We're looking forward to do many more rooms. I think we're expecting about 100 or over 100 through 17 and 18. And we are very excited.
And thank you for watching. Please be sure you subscribe to us, and we look forward to talking to you again soon.
We hope you enjoyed our video. Feel free to share our video with your friends and family, and thanks for watching.